The Redmi Note 5 offers everything you need from a sub-15K phone today: superior performance, excellent battery life and a good camera. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro is currently the best smartphone you can buy in the sub-15K segment. It offers excellent performance, has a 2-day battery life, both front and rear cameras are good, and it has a sturdy build quality. In just a few years, Xiaomi has outshined most of its competition in the budget segment. While the older Redmi phones were good, the tides turned in 2016 with the launch of the Redmi Note 3, which was a superb phone in all regards. It won our Best Phone Under the Budget category award for the year, and last year, the award was claimed by the Redmi Note 4. You can see a trend here: the phones were just that good. Hence, the new Redmi Note 5 Pro has a lot to live up to. Yes, there is the Redmi Note 5 as well, but this is the phone which is the true successor to last year's Redmi Note 4. The new phone brings a dual camera and the Univisium display to the Redmi line, which thanks to Honor and many others, have become the norm in the category. However, that was more or less expected from a phone launching in 2018. That said, according to us, the newest aspect of the device is the chip that powers it. The Snapdragon 636 is not just a new chip. The Note 5 Pro is the first phone to bring it to India, and combined with 4000 mAh battery, again, Xiaomi might just have a winner at its hands. With the Redmi Note 4 we had a small complaint about the width of the phone, and with the Note 5 and the Note 5 Pro, that has been resolved. Xiaomi's solution is to provide a taller 18:9 aspect ratio display. The taller 5.99-inch 2160 x 1080p display is still not the best size for a comfortable fit, even though the width is now lesser than its predecessor. That said, it is definitely an improvement over the last phone. The display has rounded corners and thinner bezels, which add to the whole design appeal. The curved back does make the phone easier to grip, but at the same time, it feels heavy and does take some time getting used to. There is no improvement as such in terms of materials used, and unlike the Moto G5S Plus or the Mi A1, the Redmi Note 5 still doesn't have a metal unibody. It still has plastic inserts on both the top and bottom of the metal back to incorporate the antennas. The dual cameras at the rear also come with a rather pronounced camera bump, which means the phone rocks every time you tap on the display if it's on a flat surface. Ideally, the rather large dual camera module at the rear should have been sitting flush with the body and not jutting out. All that said, the Redmi series was never really about the looks. Over the years, it has maintained its utilitarian and accessible approach towards design and build quality, and this new variant is no different. Things get a little exciting, as on this 18:9